my friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I'm so excited to share this month's club set with you. Are you ready? Get set. Here we go. It is called Sunday to Stamp, and look at how adorable it is. Okay, I absolutely positively love this one. Perfect for slimline cards, perfect for A2 size cards. Look at the nice large size of that dish. You have a little tiny piece of ice cream there, like an ice cream scoop. You have some hot fudge. You have your cute little cherry and the little solid of the cherry. And then you have a lot of fun words. My friend, life's hard, ice cream helps, hello, you're so sweet, what's the scoop, how sweet it is, and pretty please with the cherry on top. Now, Stamp Club members, your stamp set is already on its way to you. But you know what? I'm really hoping you're in the Die Hard Club. What's the Die Hard Club? That's the same stamps as the Stamp Club, but the dies that match. Are you ready for this? Dun, 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 dun. Look at that. You are getting a ton of large dies in this kit. Now, don't tell Ken my expenses went up on this one, but not for you, only for me. And look at how fantastic these are. You're getting that great big dish and the shadow. You're getting the ice cream scoop and the shadow. You're getting the hot fudge, the cherries. I actually threw in an extra cherry just in case you lost one, and 2 little dies of little tiny nuts, because you know sometimes you need some little nuts on there, right? Those are dies only. Now, why did I say I really want you to be in the Die Hard Club? Because Die Hard Club members are getting 2, count them, 1, 2, I can't show you because everybody likes it to be a surprise, 2 freebies this month. Die Hard Club members only are getting freebies for the rest of the year, 2 every month. 1, 2. I can't wait to share them with you. You're gonna love them, but I gotta hide them. I don't want anybody to see them until you get them. But look at how adorable this set is. Now, let me share my samples with you because I have so much fun with them. Now, of course, you're getting the handy dandy postcard, and yes, there are add-on sets. I can't wait to show those to you too, but look at how adorable this set is. I absolutely love it. Look at that cute little spoon. Oh my goodness gracious, so fun. Now, let me look at this one. Here's another cute one, and look at that. You are seeing a little sneak peek. The spoon was a sneak peek. Well, look at this one. This one has a little sneak peek on it too, but look at how fun those ice cream cone scoops are on this Slimline. Love it. Now, do you want to do the ice cream and make a sundae? Look at this one. I love that. You can have 3 scoops at once. You know, come on, why not have more, right? Now, here's a cute one. But this one, look how different this is, and I love this. So this is a mini Slimline, but look at this dish. She actually cut the bottom off and just used portions of the dish so it wasn't as tall. Isn't that genius? I love that idea. Here's a cute one. Oh my goodness gracious. This looks good enough to eat, doesn't it? I just absolutely love that. Cute little nuts on top, and look at how fun that is. Now, here's another one using one of our doilies. Don't forget to use those doily dies behind your projects. They add so much without, you know, taking so much extra time. You just die cut it and lay it in the back, and look at how much it changes that card so much. Now, club members, yours are already on their way to you. If you're not in the club, you have to join now. Imagine getting 15% off of everything on our website. And if you join the Die Hard Club, not only are you getting 2 free sign-on bonus gifts for joining a club, you're also getting all those extra freebies for the rest of the year. So much fun. And you also earn club points on the website, and you also get an anniversary gift certificate when you've been in the club a full year. That's so amazing. You have to join the club. Club members, don't worry, Ken gets up extra early and they're already on their way to you. So stay tuned, watch that mailbox, and just start stalking it, okay? Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.